If you are unsure how to add and delete slides in PowerPoint, then it's for you. And I will disclose important shortcuts at the end. Let's dive in. I prepared this document. This is sale analysis. And this is first slide, second, third, fourth, and further. If I want to insert new slide, so for example, this agenda slide, if I want to insert new slide, so what I will do, I will go to the insert option and you can see new slide. Click this one. It will insert a brand new slide underneath the agenda slide. Control Z to go back. So this was the first method. And the second method to insert slide is right click on the slide underneath where you want to insert new slide. You can see the new slide option. Click on this one. It will insert a brand new slide underneath your selected slide. Control Z to go back. If I want to delete any slide, then what I will do, I will press the right click and you can see the option delete slide. I will click this one and it will delete the slide for me. Control Z to go back. And if I want to duplicate any slide, for example, I want to duplicate this quarterly performance slide. So what I will do, I'll press right click and you can see the duplicate slide here option. Click this one. It will duplicate the slide underneath my selected slide. You can see the quarterly performance slide has been duplicated. Control Z to go back. What if I want to duplicate two slides, three slides, or four slides? How can I do this? So select this slide and then press Control, keep holding Control button and select the other slide which you want to duplicate and then right click and press the duplicate slide and you can see the two slides have been duplicated underneath my selected slides. So I can duplicate three, four, five, whatever slides I want. Control Z to go back. Now, let's disclose the shortcuts to insert, delete, and the duplicate slide. So for example, if I want to insert new slide, the shortcut key is Control M. So you can see the new slide has been inserted underneath the primary goal slide. Control Z to go back. And how to delete slide. So for example, if I want to delete this areas of growth slide, I will simply press delete button and it will delete the slide for me. Control Z to go back. If I want to duplicate any slide, so if I want to duplicate this slide, meet our team, so the shortcut key is Control D and it will duplicate the slide underneath my selected slide. Control Z to go back. So these were the shortcuts to insert, delete, and duplicate slides. Hit the like button if you like this video.